Hello everybody and welcome back to Not That Kind of Channel. My name is Peter and today is all about my additional headlights or the brackets, how the additional headlights are mounted. Some of you asked me if I could do a video about that, or if I could share the measurements and the angles and something like that. And yeah, in this video I will show you how these things were mounted. So I would say let's start and open up the hood and dismantle the additional headlights. Let's go. So the first thing I have to do is I have to remove my additional headlights. They were held by some screw nuts, and after that I have to remove the grille. How to remove the grille, I will show you this in a second, so let's go. So this was the first step, and now I'll show you where the brackets come out from the grille. So the brackets get out here and here, and now I will remove the grille. The grille is easy to remove. You only have to pull down these clips here, and then you have to pull the grille out. So maybe this will work with one hand, I hope. Yeah, it worked. So, and now for all of you who were interested how I mount these things, as you can see, the first one is mounted under here, and then on this frame upper here. So, and from the top, these things look like this. So it's a very easy construction. Same side, the same thing over here. So, but for all of you who want to build this or these brackets on your own, I will dismantle one and I will measure it, and then I will give you the measurements and the angle of that and the angle of this one under here. So. So as you can see, I haven't painted them very well, not like the rock slider. Yeah, maybe I should do this again. Clean the old paint and get a new one. So these are the screws. I will also add the screw width and the length of this in the description. Yes, and here, as you can see, this is the bracket. It's very simple. It's not that complicated. So these screws. So yeah, and that's it. So and after all, I will show you the measurements of this. So let's go. So this is from me and from my video how my additional headlight brackets look like. All the information you need to rebuild them you will find down below in the description. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to write down in the comments or write a comment. And if you find this video helpful, please give me a like, and if you want to see more from that kind of content, I will really appreciate if you subscribe. So guys, have a nice day and bye.